In today's digital world, having a website is essential for any business. You need people to find it. That's where SEO comes in. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. The higher you rank, the more likely people are to visit your site. Imagine you're trying to find a specific book in a massive library. You'd use the library's search system, entering relevant keywords to locate the book quickly. Keyword research in SEO works similarly. It helps you understand what words and phrases people use when searching for information related to your business. By targeting the right keywords, you can attract the right audience to your website. Once you've identified your target keywords, it's time to incorporate them into your website's content. However, it's crucial to use keywords naturally and strategically. Avoid keyword stuffing, which is the practice of cramming keywords into your content unnaturally. Search engines can detect keyword stuffing and may penalize your website for it. Instead of forcing keywords in, focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your readers. Use keywords strategically throughout your content, including in your page titles, headings, and body paragraphs. When incorporating keywords, ensure that your writing flows smoothly and sounds natural. Think of keywords as signposts that guide search engines and users to the relevant information on your website. By using keywords effectively, you can help search engines understand what your content is about and rank it accordingly. Remember, the goal is to create content that is both informative and optimized for search engines. In the realm of SEO, content reigns supreme. While keywords are essential for guiding search engines, it's the quality of your content that truly captivates your audience and keeps them engaged. High-quality content is informative, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. It provides value to your readers, whether by educating them, solving a problem, or simply entertaining them. When you consistently create high-quality content, you establish your website as a trustworthy and authoritative source in your niche. This can lead to higher search engine rankings, increased traffic, and ultimately, more conversions. Focus on creating content that is well-researched, well-written, and visually appealing. Use a variety of content formats such as blog posts, articles, infographics, and videos to keep your audience engaged. Remember, the key is to provide value to your readers and keep them coming back for more. Section 5, On-Page SEO, Optimizing Your Website's Structure. Imagine visiting a website with confusing navigation, broken links, and a cluttered layout. You'd likely leave quickly, frustrated and unimpressed. On-page SEO is all about creating a user-friendly and search engine-friendly website structure. This involves optimizing various elements on your website to improve its visibility and ranking. One crucial element is title tags, which are concise descriptions that appear in search engine results pages. Ensure your title tags are compelling, relevant to the page's content, and include your target keywords. Meta descriptions are short summaries that appear below the title tag in search engine results pages. Craft engaging meta descriptions that entice users to click through to your website. Headings and subheadings not only improve the readability of your content, but also help search engines understand the structure and hierarchy of your pages. Use clear and descriptive headings that incorporate relevant keywords. By optimizing these on-page elements, you can make your website more appealing to both search engines and human visitors. Section 6. Technical SEO, the engine of your website. While on-page SEO focuses on optimizing the content and structure of your website, technical SEO deals with the behind-the-scenes aspects that ensure your website runs smoothly. Think of it as the engine of your website, ensuring everything is running efficiently and effectively. One critical aspect of technical SEO is site speed. In today's fast-paced world, users expect websites to load quickly. A slow-loading website can lead to high bounce rates, frustrated visitors, and ultimately, lost conversions. Optimize your website's speed by compressing images, leveraging browser caching, and minimizing redirects. Mobile friendliness is another crucial factor. With more and more users accessing the internet on their mobile devices, it's essential to ensure your website is optimized for mobile viewing. Responsive design, which adapts your website's layout to different screen sizes, is the way to go. Additionally, ensure your website is secure by having an SSL certificate installed. HTTPS encrypts communication between your website and users' browsers. protecting sensitive information and boosting your website's credibility. Section 7. Off-page SEO, building your online reputation. Imagine hearing positive reviews about a restaurant from multiple friends. You'd be more likely to try it, right? Off-page SEO is like building a positive online reputation for your website. It involves activities done outside of your website to improve its visibility and authority. One of the most effective off-page SEO tactics is backlink building. Backlinks are links from other websites to yours. When reputable websites link to your content, it signals to search engines that your website is a trustworthy and valuable resource. Earn backlinks by creating high-quality content that others want to share, guest blogging on relevant websites, and reaching out to industry influencers. Social media engagement also plays a crucial role in off-page SEO. When your content is shared and engaged with on social media platforms, it increases your website's visibility and drives traffic to your site. Share your content on social media, engage with your followers, and participate in relevant online communities to build your brand's online presence. Section 8. Tracking your success, analytics and monitoring. Imagine going on a road trip without a map or GPS. You'd likely get lost and waste valuable time and effort. Similarly, in the world of SEO, it's crucial to track your progress and make adjustments along the way. This is where analytics and monitoring come in. Google Analytics is a powerful and free tool that provides invaluable insights into your website's performance. It tracks various metrics such as website traffic, bounce rate, average session duration, and conversion rate. By analyzing these metrics, you can understand what's working well and what needs improvement. Regularly monitor your website's performance and use the data from Google Analytics to make informed decisions about your SEO strategies. If you notice a particular type of content is performing well, create more of it. If your bounce rate is high, investigate why visitors are leaving your website quickly and make the necessary adjustments. Section 9. The road to success. Embracing the SEO journey. Mastering SEO is not a destination but an ongoing journey. It requires patience, consistency, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of learning and growing your online presence. Remember, SEO is not a magic bullet that will deliver instant results. It takes time and effort to see significant improvements in your website's ranking and traffic. Stay consistent with your SEO efforts, track your progress, and don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Every improvement in your website's ranking, every new backlink you earn, and every increase in organic traffic is a step in the right direction. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing forward on your SEO journey. Section 10. Staying ahead of the curve. Adapting to SEO changes. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and SEO is no exception. Search engines like Google are continually updating their algorithms to provide users with the most relevant and high-quality search results. To stay ahead of the curve, it's crucial to stay informed about the latest SEO trends and adapt your strategies accordingly. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and engage with other SEO professionals to stay up to date on the latest news and best practices. Don't be afraid to experiment with new tactics and tools, but always prioritize ethical and white-hat SEO practices. Remember, SEO is not a set-it-and-forget-it endeavor. It requires ongoing attention, adaptation, and a willingness to embrace change. By staying informed and adapting your strategies, you can ensure your website continues to thrive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Section 11. SEO, a worthwhile investment for long-term growth. Investing in SEO is essential for the long-term growth and success of your online presence. While it may require time, effort, and resources, the rewards far outweigh the costs. By implementing effective SEO strategies, you can attract a larger audience, generate more leads, and ultimately grow your business. Unlike paid advertising, which can be costly and provide only temporary visibility, SEO builds a sustainable foundation for long-term online success. When you rank high organically in search results, you earn the trust and credibility of your target audience. SEO is an investment in your website's future, allowing you to reach a wider audience, establish your brand as an authority in your niche, and achieve sustainable online growth. By embracing the principles of SEO and adapting to the ever-changing digital landscape, you can position your website for long-term success and reap the rewards of a strong online presence.